guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another grocery haul for you, but before we get started, if you're not already subscribed, I would love it if you'd hit that subscribe button and also the bell icon next to it so that you get notifications whenever I make a new video. And if you enjoy this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up so I know to make more.
The world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions.
So today's video is an Aldi grocery haul. I'm going to share with you all the things that I bought behind me here, and then if you stay tuned to the end, I'm going to share with you my meal plan for this week. So quite a small grocery haul for you today, but I thought I'd show you the things that I've bought for this week's meal plan. So first of all, I got 2 packets of the 5% fat lean steak mince for meals this week. I also got a pack of the chicken breast portions. There's only 5 in the pack, but they're really big, so it works out as almost a kilogram of chicken breast portions. I also got a pack of the, I picked up smoked, I meant to get unsmoked, never mind. Lean bacon medallions. The kids don't like the fat on the bacon, so this is ideal because the main fatty bit's been cut off. So I picked up that. It's 75% less fat and you get 10 rashers in the pack. The kids are off school just now for midterm, so I picked up these as a treat for them for breakfast. It is chocolate chip brioche rolls. They like these toasted at breakfast time. So I picked up a pack of 8 of those. I got 2 jars of sauce. Now I do often make my own sauces for dinners, but just for easiness I picked up these ready-made sauces that are good to go. So I got 1 jar of the Aldi bolognese sauce and 1 of their korma sauce, and that just is so quick and handy for dinner times. I got these to try. We've never had these before. They are Sun Quench fruity water, and we've gone for orange and pineapple, and I was actually so thirsty in Aldi that I picked these up to have on the way home, and I've drunk most of one of them, and it was quite tasty. I'm not sure if I'd get them again because I prefer just plain water, but I couldn't find any little bottles of plain water in Aldi, so I just got the fruity ones. But the kids will like those, so they'll be good for like packed lunches or when we're out and about. So I got those. I picked up a pack of Rice Krispies because, or Crisp Rice, their own brand ones, because like I say, the kids are off this week and I thought it'd be fun to make some chocolate Krispies together. So I picked up some bars of this Aldi own bubbly chocolate. I would just have bought their own chocolate really, like their cheapest one, not bubbly, but they didn't have any left in the shelves, so I had to pick up this one, which is like a copy of an Aero, I think. So I got 3 bars of that for making chocolate Krispies. I got a 4 pint carton of the skimmed milk. I normally get 2, but I already had 1 in the fridge at home, so I didn't need another one. So I just got 1. This isn't the normal juice we get. We normally get different orange squash, but they didn't have it today, so we got this high juice. It says 50% high juice orange, no added sugar. I also got these yogurt drinks. They're like a copy of the Alpro ones. They had 2 different kinds. They had a low cholesterol one, and then they had this one, which is like good for your, like good stomach bacteria or whatever it is. It says lactobacillus casei with added vitamin B6, D and calcium, and I love those in the morning, so I picked up those. I got a humongous bag of potatoes. That will do us for at least a couple of weeks, I would have said. A bunch of bananas. I know we've still got some in the fruit bowls, so although they are getting a little bit black, but I need a top up of bananas. Elle has been asking for plums because she had them at nursery one day for her snack and she wanted to have them at home. So we don't normally buy plums, but I thought I'd get those for Elle, and I'm sure Andrew likes plums as well. And I haven't had plums for so many years. I might try some, see if I like them. Caitlin wanted some tea cakes for a treat, so I got 2 packets of them because they don't last long in our house. I also got a big bag of carrots. These are handy for lots of things, for dinners, I grate them up and put them in salads, and I also really like them grated in a sandwich actually. So I got a big bag of those. I got this bag of baby leaf salad for lunch times and things. I got some sliced mushrooms for dinners this week. Oh, I forgot about these. I got an 8-pack of pork sausages, a packet of spaghetti, a pack of 6 salad tomatoes, 6 eggs because we've got no eggs left, and a pack of 8 original wraps, which we get every week. So that is everything that we got this week. I'm going to pop the price up on the screen now to let you see how much we spent, and here is my meal plan for this week. And this week's meal plan. So on Monday we are going to have creamy chicken and rice. This is a recipe I've been wanting to share with you guys for a little while because one I made in a previous meals of the week video and you wanted to see it. So I'm going to be making that. Tuesday, with the creamy chicken that's left over, on Monday we're going to have it with rice. The sauce and chicken that's left over I'm going to make into a chicken pie. I've got some ready rolled puff pastry in the fridge from last week that I'm going to use for that. And we'll have veggies with that. Wednesday we're going to have spaghetti and meatballs, and I'll use the minced beef that I bought to make the meatballs. Thursday we're going to have veggie korma with the korma sauce that I bought, and I've got in the cupboard some chickpeas, and I know I've got veggies in the freezer, and I've also got some dried rice to go with that. And I also got a naan bread reduced in Asda in the yellow sticker section, so I'll have cut that up and have that with our korma. Friday we'll have bacon and mushroom pasta with the sliced mushrooms I bought and some of the bacon. Saturday we're going to have Brunner, which is breakfast for dinner, so we'll have sausage, beans, bacon, hash browns, that kind of thing. I've got some hash browns in the freezer. And on Sunday we're going to have meatloaf with the other minced beef that I bought, and we'll have that with some veggies. So that is our meal plan for this week. Thanks so much for watching today, and I hope you enjoyed this video and got a little bit of inspiration maybe. If you enjoyed this kind of video, give it a thumbs up so that I know to make more. I'd love it if you'd subscribe if you're not already, and it would be even better if you could share this video with your friends that you think might enjoy it. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!